Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, lazy kitchen, something very quickly and fast, typical Italian. We're going to cook spaghetti and nduja with onion. Super easy. We need, of course, spaghetti, onion, and nduja. This nduja is very spicy, soft salamis from Calabria. I'm gonna use a couple teaspoon of tomato paste. The water is already on. We put some salt. This is not for Enrico because it's gonna be very spicy. The time the spaghetti is ready, everything is ready. We put on as well. We put on this a little touch of oil. Guys, nduja, I wanna show you. It's like this. You know, it's super spicy and soft. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Skin off. We wait a second because this basically gonna melt inside. Okay? Leave it there. Here it is. In the end, this is super nice. Very spicy. Woo! Spaghetti is in. Wow. This is going to melt inside. Onion inside. When the spaghetti is ready, we're gonna mix everything together. Okay? I'll show you later. Guys, when it's halfway like this, wow, the smell is so strong. Tomato in. If you need a little touch of water, you can, but just a little. Okay, and that's it. Leave to cook a little bit. And see you later when the spaghetti they're ready. Okay. Okay, guys, this nduja sauce with onion and tomato paste is ready. The pasta is al dente, like I like. Now, guys, save some water because if we need, we're gonna use it. This inside, and now we mix everything. Oh, always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel. You know, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. If we need some water, I save some water. Cook another couple minutes like that. It's ready. When it's ready, I show you us, okay? Okay, guys, 10 minutes is ready. The pasta and nduja is this, with onion and just a little touch of tomato paste. Guys, it's very spicy. You see? Oh, I have to try it. It's spicy, but it's very, very nice. I recommend you this, guys. Anyway, pasta nduja and onion is this. Beautiful, from Calabria. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!